Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna do chapter 3, section 3, exercise number 3. So we have to find the determinant using Laplace development. And the first thing I'm gonna do is actually clear out the first column. So to do this, I'm gonna do row 2 minus row 1, row 3, row 3 minus row 1, and row 4 minus row 1. So that I know that the first column will be equals to 1, 0, 0, 0. Then I'm gonna have 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 9, 3, 9, 19. So what I'm gonna do now, instead, is gonna be equals to, is gonna be, I'm gonna do row 4 minus row 3, and then I'm gonna say row 3 minus row 2. So the first two rows remain the same, so I'm just gonna duplicate and copy them over here. And then I'm gonna get 0, 0 here. And then row 3 minus row 2, so I'm gonna have 1 here, 3, 6. Then row 4 minus row 3 is gonna be equals to 1, 4, 10. Okay. Now I can do row 3 minus row 2. And then again, row 4 minus row 3. I like that. So these two remain the same. Duplicate and copy over here. So I'm gonna have 0, 0 here. So row 3 minus row 2. So I'm gonna have 0 here, 1, 3. And then I'm gonna have row 4 minus row 3. So 0, 1, 4. Hope it's clear so far. Let me actually take this and bring it to another space where I can actually work with it. So bring it over here. So I'm gonna have, now I'm gonna do row 2 minus row 3 and row 4 minus row 3. So the first row remains the same as always. And I'm gonna do 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 3, because this one I'm not touching. So row 2 is gonna be 1, 1, 0. Then I'm gonna get 0, 0, 1. Okay. Okay, so now I want to do row 1 minus row 2 minus row 4. And then I'm going to do row 3 minus 3 times row 4. So the first row now is going to be a minus row 2 and minus row 4. So 1 remains here. Then I'm going to do 0. I'm going to get 0, 0, 0. Then 0, 1, 1, 0. Then 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. And now very quickly you can see that I'm going to do row 2 minus row 3. So pretty much everything remains the same except for row 2, which becomes, bring this down, going to become 0, 1, 0, 0. And this is a unit matrix, which we know the determinant, but I'm going to prove it. So I'm going to develop the first row, first column. So the 1, we know it's signed positive, so I'm just going to get a positive 1, and then the determinant of the remainder of the matrix. And I'm going to do this thing again. So I'm going to take the first row, first column, the 1, I know it's positive. So I'm going to have another, actually I'm going to write it over here. Positive 1 times positive 1, first positive 1 from before, and then the determinant of 1, 0, 0, 1, which is going to be equals to, well, this one is the same. I could just say it's 1, I don't really care. And then times 1 times 1 minus 0 times 0 which as you can see is 1. So the terminal of the whole long matrix is, oops, it doesn't want to do it. It simply equals to 1. I hope this was helpful, and I'm going to show you again the steps that I've made in order to get this